Hey guys, we're here with a 2015 BMW X5. I was going to show you how to take the door panels off. It's pretty straightforward on this. You just need to know where the screws are to not break anything. So first one is behind this lock pin. You put a little tool underneath, pop the top, just kind of like lift it up, comes off. There's a screw in there. Look at that quickly. There's another one here and behind this. There's that one. The other one is behind here. This one you have to remove this way because there's a little hook in there. So you gotta go right there. Pop it like that and pull forward. To be safe, you can just unplug it to not break anything. If you want to unplug it, you can just leave it hanging if you want, but yeah. The next one is in here. It's a little cover. You just gotta pop it off. A little pick tool helps. You just don't want to scratch the finish. That's the main thing. And then there's two screws on the bottom. They're a little one. They're little torque bits here and here. And that's all the screws. I got the wrong size. These screws are T15s, torque bit. This one, same one. Okay, now they got all those off. Well, pry tool, my choice. Screws right on the side. You find a little opening to get it in. Once that first one clips off, then the rest is kind of easy. Straight off. They come with these little clips here. Those are all the clips on the top. If you're tinting it, you just want to remove that. But you just don't want to drop these clips into the door panel. So that's the only thing you want to be careful with. So as you lift them up, they kind of come up with the molding sometimes. There you go. That's the driver's side. Okay, this is the passenger side. Typically, like a lot of door panels are the same. This one's different, so I figured you guys should know the passenger side is different. Similar in many ways. Has the same hidden screw under here. has the same thing here. Same thing here. The main different one is the one that was on in here on the other side. This one is behind this handle. This handle is a little tricky sometimes, but there's a little opening here. That's what you want to utilize. Right there, there's a little opening. So it's made to put a pry tool there. So you just want to pretty much go in there, twist it once you get that side off, and the rest comes off. That little opening makes your life way easier. Screw there, and then the same 2 screws on the bottom. Come on. If you're just tinting it and you just want the molding off, you can just do this actually. These guys just make it a little easier. You can put the pry tool right in between the molding and the door. Kind of just pops the top. And while that's pushed back a bit, if you go in there, you can lift the molding up. That's the easiest way to get that out. Forgot that screw. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what car you want to see next.